A Dubai-based firm acquires Virgin Mobile Latin America, and the Eurozone economy is contracting at its fastest rate in 3 years. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Dubai-based investment firm Beyond One has completed its acquisition of Virgin Mobile Latin America for an undisclosed amount. It comes just months after its successful purchase of Virgin Mobile Middle East and Africa. Beyond One says its acquisition of the mobile virtual network operator marks a significant opportunity for growth with its larger user base and footprint. Virgin Group, the global investment company founded by billionaire Richard Branson, has joined Beyond One in the acquisition deal. Saudi private equity firm Judaa has taken a 35% stake in Kuwait's Rissa perfumes for an undisclosed amount ahead of its IPO on the Saudi stock market. Judaa says the investment will help it further solidify its market position. It manages $20 billion of client assets. It plans to invest about $532 million in new private equity deals and list stakes of 3 of its portfolio companies by 2025. Adnoc Logistics and Services has taken delivery of its third of 4 very large crude carriers. Adnoc L&S says it's in line with its smart growth strategy to meet rising global energy demand. The second carrier, which can carry 2 million barrels of crude oil per voyage, was delivered in July. The fourth is expected to be delivered in Q4. The Eurozone economy is contracting at its fastest rate in 3 years as a steep decline in manufacturing begins to spread to services. S&P's Eurozone Purchasing Managers Index fell to 47 in August from 48.6 in July. The figure is the lowest since November 2020 during the pandemic. Analysts say they now expect the Eurozone economy to shrink by 0.2% in Q3. The Eurozone's woes have been inflamed by downturns in the EU's biggest economies, France and Germany. Investors are awaiting earnings from Nvidia tonight, which will be announced after the U.S. market close. Nvidia is expected to announce forecast-busting revenue in Q2 thanks to the surge in demand for its processors, which are used in developing AI applications. The firm's shares have rocketed this year, helping boost many other tech firms. Nvidia is seen as a bellwether for the IT sector and markets in general. Its remarkable Q1 results ignited a surge in the tech sector and optimism around AI. Huawei Technologies is reportedly building a collection of secret semiconductor fabrication facilities across China to avoid U.S. sanctions. A Bloomberg report cites Washington Semiconductor Industry Association, saying Huawei moved into chip production last year and is receiving $30 billion in state funding. It says Huawei has acquired at least 2 existing plants and is building 3 others. If Huawei is constructing facilities under names of other companies, it could circumvent U.S. restrictions and indirectly purchase American chip-making equipment. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. Our biggest winner is the chairman of Vietnamese conglomerate Vingroup, Pham Nhat Vuong. Vingroup's car-making unit listed on the Nasdaq last week. Today, he's up $20.3 billion. Our second biggest winner today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault, up $2.1 billion with net wealth of $212.8 billion. And our third place winner is Elon Musk, up $1.4 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. India is celebrating as today it successfully landed a spacecraft on the moon's south pole. It's an historic moment for the world's most populous nation as the first country ever to land a spacecraft on the South Pole. It's a strategic spot because it's believed to have water. Lunar water could provide fuel, oxygen, and drinking water, making it a potential site for lunar mining and even for future human settlements. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.